Hi guys, Manya Gupta from Univoice this side. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great and your prep is also going fab and is on track. If you have any doubts or difficulties regarding ITMAT prep, you can always reach out to us. You can comment under the video, whatever questions you have. I or someone from the team will definitely reach out. Coming to today's video now. So for today, I am not going to go all technical or get into the strategies that you can follow to clear the exam. It is going to be more of a general and relaxed sort of a video in which I tell you about my experience here at IIM Rohtak and my learnings throughout my time here. I promise you, these are not going to be the formulas that I learned in my calculus class or codes that were taught to me in my programming class. So, a little about myself before we get into the video. I am currently a second year student at IIM Rohtak. Second year का भी first term is almost over. So, I have been a part of IIM Rohtak for roughly 14 months now. And this period has been truly, truly enriching. And I really hope to get some of it across to you guys as well today. So the first thing that I want to share with you, which was also one of the most important learnings for me, is that your marks are not everything that is going to define you. Throughout my school life, I derived my happiness from how much I had scored in an exam or a test, and I would get genuinely sad if I was not, one of the toppers and stuff. But when I joined college, now here every student was once a topper of their school. So it is not majorly academics that is going to define who you are or set you apart from others. It is your skills and your soft skills that is going to make a difference. Also, a disclaimer: this is in no way an advice to you all to be all chill and fail exams just because Manya said grades are not everything. So do study, but also remember that there are things other than marks that are going to matter, or in fact matter more. Coming to my second learning and my second advice for you all now, making friends, I feel, is very important because these are the people that will get you through college. I'm telling you, college offers a great deal of pressure and stress, and nobody can understand that pressure better than these friends, not even your family. So, having a solid group of friends, I feel, is really important to keep yourself going. You may think कि it is all a waste of time, जितने ज़्यादा दोस्त होंगे उतना ज़्यादा you'll have to invest into those friendships and all, but I'll tell you a different perspective to look at it. These people that you make friends with now are going to be future leaders, future managers, future CEOs of top companies. So look at it from the point of view of networking and it will all make sense. Moreover, an additional point, the more friends you make, the more different types of people you'll interact with. Hence, it will also enhance your interpersonal skills. So always look out to interacting with new people and making new friends and new connections. Now, to handle so many friendships, it is necessary to manage your time well, which brings us to my next point, time management, which I am still in the process of learning. I don't know if you can ever master it. So, क्या होगा ना, basically in college, you'll be piled up with a lot of stuff. And at times, it will feel like things are going out of your hand. You will have assignments, presentations, group projects, exams coming up. Apart from all this, there will be side courses that you might take up, internships, and in the middle of all this, you will also want to hang out with your friends. You'll want to read that book, watch that film, spend time with your family. So there's going to be a lot of things on your plate at all times. And to be able to do all this, it is essential to have a proper schedule and be really, really good at managing your time. I'm probably not the best person to be giving this advice because my schedule is usually pretty messed up. I do plan my days the night before because, as they say, time and tide wait for none. Um, There are also like many apps out there that I've heard of, which you can find out that will help you plan your day efficiently. You can use those. Personally, I am a huge list person. I list down everything that I have to do during the day and check them, whenever like I complete them. You can try this. This has helped me a lot. It eliminates the unwanted stress of remembering the things that you have to do. It might help you all too, to be a good manager. The first step is to manage your own time and schedule well. So just like start working on it. It is important. So these were the top three things on the top of my mind right now. I'm sure there are a lot more. If you have any such advices to share, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure it will help us all a lot. I'll see you guys soon. Keep learning. Stay tuned for more such videos and like, share, and subscribe to the channel.